Hi, my name is Ashwani Kumar and welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see the assistant professor vacancies in one of the state public service commission, and the eligibility is undergraduation. Here, the UGC NET and the PhD is not at all required, so you have to apply immediately to this one if you are having the enough qualification. And before going into the main content of this video, if you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then tap the bell icon. Then you are going to get all such type of videos or the updates as immediate notifications to your devices. And now, while coming to the main content of the video, here it is the Bihar Public Service Commission recruitment notification 2020, and the total 605 vacancies are there for the assistant professor, lecturer as well as the HOD posts. So here this article is in Adda 247, and you can see that the Bihar Public Service Commission has released a recruitment notification to appoint suitable candidates for the post of assistant professor in various engineering disciplines. So here you can check down assistant professor, lecturer and HOD, and online and offline, both these two types of application modes are there. The total number of vacancies are the 605, and the date of registration for BPS assistant professor 4th September to 21st September 2020. That means that today is the last date, so please hurry up guys. And the selection process is academic records, written test, interview and weightage on the contract basis. The minimum age limit is 22 years. And coming to the departmental wise vacancies, HOD Automobile Engineering 2 and the lecturer Mechanical Engineering 166, and the lecturer in Electronics Engineering 131, and assistant professor in Civil Engineering 306. So the total number of vacancies are 605. The candidates will be able to apply online for the teaching recruitment in BPSC through the official website as well as through the link that has been provided on this site. And coming to the important dates, the registration date is going to start from 4th September 2020, that means already started, and today is the last date, that is 21st September 2020, and the last date to apply online, okay, to apply online the last date is the 5th October 2020, and the last date to pay fee online the 25th September, and the last date to send the hard copy via speed post, that is 12th October 2020 up to 5 p.m. And coming to the eligibility criteria, HOD in automobile engineering, PhD in automobile engineering or technology, and first class at bachelor's or master's level in the automobile engineering or technology, or bachelor's and master's degree in automobile engineering or technology. And coming to the lecturer in mechanical engineering, BE, BTech, BS or BSc in mechanical engineering with first class or equivalent. Coming to the lecturer in electronics engineering, BE, BTech, BS or BSc in electronics engineering technology with first class or equivalent. And coming to the assistant professor in civil engineering, BE, BTech, BS or BSc engineering, and ME, MTech, MS or integrated MTech in civil engineering with first class or its equivalent, any one of the degree. And coming to the minimum age limit, must be the 22 years. There is no maximum age limit, so however the age of the retirement is 65 years. And these are the application fee guys, 750 rupees for the general, BC and EWS, and for SC, ST, Bihar domicile 200 rupees, and for female candidates Bihar domicile 200 rupees, and for PWD more than 40% it is 200 rupees. And so these are the process given here. And address to submit the hard copy of BPS assistant professor is Joint Secretary cum Exam Controller, Bihar Public Service Commission 15, Jawaharlal Nehru Marg, Baileri Road, and Patna, Bihar. Okay guys, so if you are having this suitable qualifications, then please visit the official website of the Bihar Public Service Commission. Then you will come to know all the details. And coming to the selection process, academic record and research program, this will hold a weightage of 20 marks. Written test based on work, knowledge and skills of engineering education, this will be of 40 marks. Objective type of questions will be asked in the exam, comprising of 80 questions of 2-hour time duration. For engineering stream, the syllabus of GATE will be applicable, and the interview 15 marks. Weightage to the candidates working on contract basis on the post of assistant professor is 25 marks. So these are the detailed notification regarding the Bihar Public Service Commission guys. Okay, so anyhow, while coming to the last date for application, the last date to apply online is the 5th October 2020. So please hurry up guys. Okay, and please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunity. And for more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so please continue, guys. Hi, my name is Ashwini Kumar and welcome to my channel. So before going into the main content of the video, here one announcement to the NTA UGC NET exam aspirants, and if you are not belonging to this category, then you may skip this announcement. So the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, then the free live classes are providing in the Unacademy platform. So the candidates who belongs to these subjects, the commerce, computer science, education, history, English, Hindi, geography, economics, labor, welfare, psychology, home science, environmental science, electronic science, philosophy, public administration, law, management, political science, and sociology, and including this one, the general paper, that is teaching and research aptitude. So the candidates who belongs to these subjects, you are going to get the free live classes in the Unacademy platform. So to avail this one, you have to install the Unacademy learning app that I am providing the link in the description box of this video, and also along with that link I am providing my WhatsApp number in the description box of this video, and the subscription also. So here the free classes and the paid classes, both these two are provided by the Unacademy. So the free classes you can able to access freely, provided by the educator regarding to particular subject. And if you want to take the plus course, the plus course means the complete syllabus of your subject is going to be covered clearly with live classes, and your doubts will be cleared in the doubt clarifying session. And here these are the different subscription plans are provided for the plus classes: 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, and the 24 months. So out of these plans, you may take any one of the plan based upon your requirement. And if you are using this code Ashwini K, then you are going to get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans.